the deal with this? Bright red, I see.
Oh, it just came in.
Yeah?
And I'm pretty sure it's already sold, maybe. At least it has deposit on it, so instead of just checking it in and waiting for parts, I'm going through everything I can possibly go through.
It's a good looking car, man.
Yeah.
This is a cool car.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a JZX 100, right?
Yeah.
So, wide body. Well, it's not wide body, but the front fenders.
Fenders are after.
Yeah. And it's got the aero bumper and side skirts and everything, so pretty cool. So. Yeah.
What's the deal with this right here? Just a general check-in, you know?
Yep.
Sweet.
Right, buddy?
Yep. General as it gets.
Changing the oil.
Change the oil and then just do our 120 point check.
Yep. I think we upped it to 121 points actually.
121 points. Yeah. 121 points.
The first order of business on this car is just get it low, get it slammed. I mean, we probably got like call it an inch fender gap. We're gonna get it down to like quarter inch.
It was probably raised up for shipping. They'll raise them up on the coilovers so it can get on and off the ship and trailers and everything for shipping. So.
Do what?
Shouldn't be that stiff, right? No. Uh-oh.
Might want to put that on the check-in list. Yeah, so write that down. Just found a problem. The way it is, even these stock cars, we'll get, you know, now Excelsior, okay, usually not a whole lot long. Probably some older gentleman or lady drove it around, took it to the dealership for repair, and kept it in a parking garage, all that kind of good stuff. So
yeah.
That's why these cars usually come in, they're pretty nice.
I got a lot of pipes to polish.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Whose pipe you got to polish next?
I don't know. You want to get in line? You got pipes for me? I'm pretty good at it. Is what they tell me.
Bacon ranch. There's a pizza party.
Now we do gotta go easy.
Day and eight out today?
Yep. I love a good Ronnie. Well, I'm here, and I'm here to eat.
Ooh, that shit was banging. Tomorrow.
Dang, son.
This is the best day of my life.
Got done with this top mount twin kit, so turned out pretty sick. So it is a Nitto 2.8 liter that we built for the customer. He brought these GT 2860Rs, GTX 2860s, and he wanted twins, but he didn't want the bottom twins. He wanted top mount twins. So nobody really makes a kit for these. So we went ahead, fabricated up a kit, and it turned out pretty sick. So the turbos are going to limit it to about 700 horsepower max, I think. But it looks sick. It's going to sound great. There's nothing on here that I don't love. This is my RB26. It's got a June 2.7 liter stroker in it. It does have 88 mil piston, so it's like, we're thinking like a 2.7 and a half, probably, maybe. It doesn't really matter. But was able to score the engine for a great deal. Chris sold me the head and the plenums and some turbos. I do have a Z32 for it to go in. So Z32, RB26 swap. It's gonna be a pretty cool car. But PRP was kind enough to sponsor the Z. They did a one-off matte black covers, trigger kit, everything out of their catalog essentially. It's really cool. Yeah, their trigger kits are really the best on the market.
Yeah.
There's a few other out there, but the PRP one has been tried, tested, proven. It's on 3,000, 4,000 horsepower RBs out there. Everything from daily
4,000.
drivers. Yeah. I'm pretty sure
3,000. Okay. I don't know if I've seen 4,000 yet. Okay.
That's
I don't know.
That's a lot of power.
Herman's got some things up his sleeve.
So this is the
LS1 alternator kit.
LS1 alternator.
PRP bracket.
PRP bracket here. And then you got the ATI,
Super Damper. I do have a R33 34 non-Hikes power steering pump. I got to try to tweak around to get the belt to work
What
properly.
kind of pistons?
It is Tomei 88 mils and the June 2.7 liter stroker.
He's stoked about it. Can't you tell? Look at how excited.
Oh, I'm so stoked. I just, I don't like bragging or anything. I don't.
He's humble. He's humble.
But I'm finally excited to have a cool car. So
Yeah.
Yes.
Heck yeah.
I'm excited for you to have a cool car.
I'll be out there whooping up on a chaser. I don't got the pocket like this dude.
Yeah, right. Well, you know what? You've made good decisions, and that's maybe why you got money. Because you didn't blow it all on cars like I have my entire life.
Exactly. Hey,
I didn't-
I will let you guys know he has had 2 Supras.
I was getting ready to ask. Didn't you have a Supra? Okay.
I never let you guys know.
He's had 2.
I had a Supra, 2 Supra, 2 RX-7s, 2 FDRs.
Yo, Chris, you want to know something funny? I was in Advanced Auto the other day, and I was buying stuff, and I had a Drive Motorsports hoodie on.
Yeah.
And the guy was like, Drive Motorsports? I'm like, yeah, I work for him and stuff. He was like, I knew Chris, man. He had Supra.
See? The legend lives on. I was the fastest streetcar guy around. You didn't mess with me. I had to go hunt down Busas and shit. 'Cause
Boosas.
every car was like, nah, I
Boosas.
don't want none. I don't want
This
none.
was back when the Hayabusa was a dinosaur.
Yeah.
He's not talking about a motorcycle.
So what card you get, man?
I got that Mark II Trente, the 30th anniversary out there.
Yeah? What do you think about it?
I love it. That's like, it's so clean. Like the features that car has for the age, like it drives like a brand new car.
Yeah.
That's been my childhood dream car. Like this place, like this Driver Motorsports, top tier. Like this is literally car guy heaven, especially if you like JDM cars. Like
Right.
it doesn't get any better than this. I have not stopped smiling like since I walked in here.
And that's it for today's video, guys. If you're looking for your very own JDM dream car like this guy, just hit us up. We'll get you squared away. Thanks for watching.